Hello YouTube, how y'all doing today? Today we're taking a look at these Tide radios. These are very inexpensive family radio network walkie-talkies. These are really nice, very simple to use.
Turn on the radio.
Turn it on, you got audio. We got our channels right here. We can change our channels on this button right here. You can see all the channels we have. We have quite a few channels. Wow, we got quite a few, 22 channels, okay? And these have about 1.5 miles range. They're 2.5 watts of output, which is, plenty for most things that you would use. Like I use them around my homestead. One thing I really like these is they're IPX7, so I don't have to worry about dropping these in a puddle or a pond or a lake. A lot of your inexpensive walkie-talkies, and frankly, a lot of your not so inexpensive walkie-talkies are not waterproof rated. So that's a really nice feature that these have. These are USB-C rechargeable. These work very well. I've been using them around the homestead for the last, month and a half, and I really like them. My homestead altogether, including the woods that surround me, is about a 30-acre area, and they're perfect for that. I have all kinds of elevation changes, woods, a lot of, rough terrain, and I have yet to have these not work and not be in range, and not be able to get a signal on my homestead with these. So let's open up the box here. You see what you get. As you can see, it comes with 2 radios, and these are very inexpensive. So this is a tremendous deal you're getting with these guys. We have a user manual it comes with right here. See if we get the specifications on here somewhere. No, but I already told you pretty much the important stuff, so that doesn't matter. But you can see we have 2 recharger units it comes with the plugs and the USB-C cables, and 2 lanyards and 2 radios. So this is a fully self-contained kit and setup. They require no programming at all. They work right out of the box. I set them both to the channel I want to use, and they work right out of the box perfectly. And these are really nice little radios. I mean, if you put a better name, a quote-unquote better name brand on these things, they would easily cost over $100. So great value on these guys. I think if you get these, you would definitely like them. I definitely like them, and I use them all the time. So check them out. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Free My Me out.